In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Proxy in AdsPower. To get started, open AdsPower and head to the browser section. Once you're on the AdsPower browser page, click on New Profile. This is where you'll create a browser profile and connect your proxy settings, so everything is organized from the beginning. Next, enter a profile name. Choose something clear and easy to recognize, especially if you plan to manage multiple profiles later. A simple naming system can make things much easier when you need to find or update a profile. After that, scroll down until you see the proxy type section and click the drop-down menu. From the available options, select HTTP. This tells AdsPower which proxy connection format you want to use, so make sure it matches the proxy details you were given. Now, type in the host and port for the proxy. These two fields work together to direct the connection properly, so it's important to enter them carefully and double-check for any typing mistakes. Then enter the proxy username, followed by the proxy password. Be especially careful here, since even a small error in the login details can prevent the proxy from connecting. Once the proxy information is filled in, click on Add Platform Account. This lets you pair the browser profile with the site you'll be accessing. Select the website you want to use from the list, then type in the username for that account and enter the password. As always, make sure the information is accurate so the profile works smoothly. Finally, click OK to confirm everything. At this point, your new AdsPower profile should include the proxy settings along with the platform account details you entered. And that's it. You've successfully added a proxy in AdsPower and set up the profile for